Hi guys, welcome back, and in this video lecture we are going to learn how to increase the EBS volume of a running instance. So let's go to the EC2, and when it is needed, suppose example your storage is full and you want to increase the storage, so that time we need to extend our storage. So let's click on the instances because we don't have any running instance now. We can select Ubuntu system, and in our free tier account we are only eligible for T2 micro, so let's select the T2 micro and click on the next. We don't need to change any configuration here, then click on the next, and here we are using the 8 GB, and then we can extend to 16 GB when it is up and running. So we have to define the tag here, name, increase volume. Okay, then here we have to define the security group that we have already defined here. In that one we have to define the SSH, HTTP and HTTPS. Review and launch. It will provide the details about the server and what configuration that we have used. So let's click on the launch. It will ask the key pair and just launch. So it will take a few minutes to start our server. This is our server, and the status of server is pending. So it will take very few minutes, means with the 1 minute it will up. So here server is going to up. Okay, so now our server is up. Okay, and the storage is 8 GB and we are going to extend to the 16 GB. So let's connect to the server. So we have the command is ssh-i, then we have to define the PEM file and we have to provide the server @IP address. So we just copy this command, go to our terminal, yes, and we are logging into the server. So let's check what is the free memory we have. So the command is df-h to check the free memory and available used memory. So we have used is 1.3 GB and available is 6.5. okay, so now we need to increase this 8 GB to 16 GB. For that one we have to go to our AWS console, and in EC2 dashboard we have to go to the volume section that is present in Elastic Block Storage. Click on that, and this is our volume that we have defined the name. Click on the action, modify. So we have to click on the modify the volume, define the volume here 16 and click on the modify. So are you sure that you want to modify that volume? Yes, click on yes, and we can see here it will reflect our volume. Just refresh it here. So now our volume is 16 GB. So let's go to the terminal and again execute the command is df-h. So here it is not reflected. For that one we have to execute the command is grow part that extend our partition. So this command is use the device name and partition number. So that partition, how to check is we have to execute the command is lsblk. Okay. So here we can see the partition name, device name and the partition number. Okay, so let's clear this one. We have to copy the command, execute here. Okay, again we have to execute this command lsblk, and we can see here the 16 GB is allocated, but this 16 GB is not in file system. So for that one we have to check what is our file system. So to check that one what is our file system, because the file system is different types like ex2, ex3, ex4. So if your file system is supported this 3, we can use this command, the resize. Otherwise we have to use this growfs command. So to check that one, we have to command is lsblk -f. What is our file system? So our file system is ext4. Then we have to use this command. So let's execute this command. Okay, and again df -h. So we can see here the available is 15 GB and 1.3 GB is used. Okay. So this is the way that we can increase the EBS volume of a running instance. So guys, thank you. Please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.